everyone, welcome to Master Crafts. Today we're going to be making a clay flower craft. First we'll need a cardboard background and green clay. We'll also be needing rainbow, other different color clay. I haven't made a lot of videos because I've been making shorts. If you haven't seen my shorts, go check them out. So let's get started. Yeah! Now we're going to be using green clay to cover the cardboard so it looks like leaves in the background. Now we're done making the background. I'm going to be making flowers. I'll be sticking the flower petals on. You can make flowers 3D, like making them curved, or stacked on each other, like a rose. You can also add some vines. I'm going to be adding vines like this or branches, but you don't have to because it's up to you because it's your craft. Now I'm done, and this is the first time I've used clay before to make craft. Now I kind of like it. Maybe you'll too. So if you try it, you probably will like it. And don't forget to watch my YouTube shorts. Thanks for watching. Bye!